Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have amazing luxury choices for you. Would you rather build your luxury fantasy house with epic fun choices? But before we dive in, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's get started. First choice. Which dream house is completely yours? Next up, relaxation mode. Which massage chair feels the most comfortable? Now imagine the entrance. Which door makes the best welcome? Sleepover fun. Which bedroom looks the most exciting to you? Time for some splash fun. What kind of water park would you build? Here's a silly one. Which toilet would you actually show off to your friends? Step up in style. Which sneakers are you rocking today? It is a bedtime showdown. Which bunk bed wins your vote? Now set the mood. Which bedroom lamp will you choose? Quick decision. Which toilet paper holder goes on your wall? Time to choose your gift. Choose wisely. Unlimited money, unlimited love, or lots of blessing. What you get, comment down below. Movie night. Which TV setup feels perfect for you? Level up, gamers. Which chair powers your next victory? Cozy vibes. Which living room would you chill in? Bath battle. Which tub would you soak in forever? Pet lovers, this one's for you. Which house would your pet live in? Grab the sofa that looks the comfiest. Which inflatable pool are you jumping into first? Which dining table makes you feel fancy? Challenge for Pikachu fans. Can you safely landed Pikachu on boat without falling on sea? How many clicks did it take? Comment down below. Adventure Call. Who is your ultimate sidekick? Food lovers, which kitchen is cooking your dream meal? What summer house would you escape to? Bookworms, which home library would you fill with stories? Mirror, mirror. Which design looks magical to you? Snack time. Which air fryer you pick for quick snacks? Which creative bed is your favorite? Make your choice. Quick challenge. If you enjoy, then hit the like button, comment your favorite food, and hit the subscribe button. Shower vibes. Which one feels the most refreshing? Which flower bouquet makes you smile the most? Yum! Which meal would you eat first? Pick one. Cozy night. Which fireplace warms your heart? Ready, set, go. What dream car are you driving away in? Which sink belongs in your dream home? Which slippers are sliding onto your feet? Garden glow. What space makes you the happiest? Mail time. Which mailbox gets your letters? Which fence keeps your dream house safe? Which staircase would you climb every single day? Pick your floor mat. Which one gives your feet cozy vibes? Memory challenge. Remember the position of every cars. Where is blue car is hiding? Time's up. The blue car is under number 5. Now pick your floor design. Option 1, Option 2, or Option 3. Window view. Which one makes the outside look magical? Sunset vibes. Which balcony are you chilling on? Book lovers, which bookshelf do you want at home? Which clock runs your mansion? Make your choice. Sparkle time. What chandelier lights up your room? Which design shows your style? Left, middle, or right? Fish fans, which aquarium do you want at home? Gaming lovers, which gaming room is your dream setup? Which watch would you wear every day? 1, 2, or 3? Movie night. Which home theater is yours? Closet goals. Which one holds your outfits? Which home office do you like the best? Final choice? Swing high. Which swing makes you feel free? That was amazing luxury fantasy house adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.